Good day everyone. Good day to everyone. I'm Damer Ken Almera from Yums 12 Masigap, and today I would like to share with you what I have learned in the subject Media Information Literacy, also known as MIL. Through our discussion of the pre-industrial, industrial, and electronic age, I gained a deeper understanding of how media communication have evolved through time. In the pre-industrial age, people relied on traditional forms like cave paintings and communication and handwritten manuscript. These methods were limited in reach but play a big role in preserving history and culture. During the industrial age, the invention of the printing press, newspaper, and later the telegraph and radio transformed how people access information. This era marked the start of mass communication, making news and knowledge more accessible to the public. In the electronic age, technology rapidly advanced, leading to the development of television, computers, and eventually the internet. This era opened the door to instant communication, multimedia content, and global information sharing. And that's it all. Thank you.